Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of Computer Science. Children, in this session, we will study about paragraph writing and what are the features of a good paragraph. Children, whenever we write anything, for example, an article or an essay, necessarily it must be divided into paragraphs. And the basic paragraphs are introduction, description, and conclusion. So, children, we will study that in paragraph writing, what is new feature and how we divide a paragraph into introduction, description, and conclusion. But the foremost thing to remember here is that we don't change paragraph in paragraph writing. As in when we write article or an essay, we divide it into paragraphs. But a paragraph writing, we don't divide it into paragraphs. But a single paragraph contains introduction, description, and conclusion. So let's study further. Nearly all types of written articles of all forms have an introduction, a middle part with some details, and an end or conclusion. And if everything is written together without any break, it puts off the readers and it's very clumsy also. Thus, it is always a good idea to write your text in paragraphs. So, a paragraph is a group of sentences that describe one idea. The paragraphs present an idea at a time and prevent text from becoming overwhelming. So, children, there are some rules which will help you to write a good paragraph. As you know, a paragraph represents one idea, and if you have to write about a different idea, start a new paragraph. In order to construct a good paragraph, you can follow the given rules below. So, first of all, we should write an outline. That is the topic on which paragraph is to be written and supporting information. For example, the topic if is impact of population explosion. So what we can describe in the paragraph, rate of mortality has decreased, increased requirement of land leads to cutting of forests, increased carbon dioxide production, more need of trees to absorb increased carbon dioxide, and deadlock. Second thing which we will discuss is write the topic sentence. Topic sentence means the introductory line. So this is here. The ever increasing population of our planet is causing immense pressure on our environment and ecosystem, impacting us in great way. Now whatever we had written in outline, see here. This outline we developed. So whatever we had written in outline, now we will develop into sentences. So the reason for this population explosion is the decrease of mortality rates because of advancement in medical technology. With the increase in population, more land is required for living purposes. The increased land requirement is the reason behind cutting of forests to create habitable land. Also, the increased population means more production of carbon dioxide as a result of people's breathing. Increased amount of carbon dioxide means we should have more trees than can absorb increased quantities of CO2. However, the increased population also leads to cutting of trees and forests, and thus it has become like a deadlock situation. Now, step 4, write the concluding sentence or conclusion. This way, the ever increasing population is leading us to a condition where we shall not be left with either space to live or air to breathe. Now, we will combine all these lines. Impact of population explosion, which you can see here. See the first introduction, you can the ever increasing population of our planet. This is introduction, all right. And the last, you can see this way the ever increasing population. You can see at last this way the ever increasing population. So children, first two lines serve as introduction, last two lines serve as conclusion, and middle lines serve as description. Now we will combine all the three and then we will just make a paragraph. Again, I am reminding you, when we are asked to write a paragraph, a means one. Shh. We will not change the paragraph. Alright? So, please keep this point in mind, children, that as in article writing and essay writing, we change paragraphs. But in paragraph writing, we will not change paragraph, and everything we will include in one paragraph. But there will be division of introduction, description and conclusion. But that we will find out by reading. Okay? No separate division would be visible. Okay? In one paragraph only, we will find introduction, description and conclusion. So children, this is the new feature of paragraph writing. So when the question comes in exams, develop and write paragraphs for the following topics, or write a paragraph on the topic modern definition of patriotism. Alright, so you will write only one paragraph like this. You will not change the paragraph. Alright, so children, that's much in this video. Thank you and goodbye.